Greeting to everyone, dudes, on the Asab Trade channel with you, your servant, trading guru Asab as always. And today we will talk about really simple, really very effective trading strategy, and with really simple interface. And even the toddler can earn money with that trading strategy, I assure you. Before we start, I want to ask you, subscribe to my Telegram channel like always, and leave like and comment under that video, because it is really very important to me myself. So let's get started. And so guys, let's open the forecast where we will trade the pocket option, the best platform on the binary option and the war. And so I love that platform because the first, it's really fast withdrawal, simple interface and large win rate. So it's really best platform in the world of binary option. And on my bank account, $157 for today's trading session, and I will use the time expiration 1 minute 30 seconds. And I will use the time frame 1 minute, and so I will use the 2 indicators who working very well together. So and you must changing the settings exactly like mine and from Williams. So okay guys, okay, it's really looking very good. And so we enter to currency pair Audio USD. I see that price motion, really cool price motion, like they increasing the price motion, and so I'm enter very fast. I decided very fast, and you must be doing the same thing. So and so the first we watch the MACD indicator. That indicator consists from 2 lines and the histograms. The histogram have the green candles and red candles, and if the two curved lines intersect each other and are directed to upper position, it's a clear signal to enter to upper trend. So, and if that 2 lines intersect each other and are directed to down position, it's really good signal to enter to downtrend. So, but in our case, we did all the right, and so it was the first signal to enter to upper position. As you can see, it's really working very well. And the second, we watched to the Williams indicator, and that indicator consists from 2 lines. It's support and resistance line, and one curved line. That curved line is blue, and if that curved line intersect one of 2 lines, support or resistance, and are directed to upper position, it's a clear signal to enter to upper trend. If that blue line intersect one of 2 lines, support or resistance, and are directed to down position, it's a clear signal to enter to down trade. So, but oh my gosh, we get the first profit, $300 on my bank account. And so if you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, write me in the direct message, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade with my team every day, and we have the great results. If you want the same, just join us. We can get the really good profit, and so we're just moving on. And so I think that all must be all right, but we must catch the motion, because we very fast decide the enter to deal. And so it's my really important skill in the trading. So, and if you watch to the MACD indicator, that indicator is showing us the intersection 2 lines, and that 2 lines are directed to down position, and the histogram shows us the red candle line to down zone, and it really was clear signal to enter to down position. It was the first signal, and then I watched 2 Williams indicator, and I saw the resistance line and that blue line are directed to downward zone, and it was the second signal to enter to down zone. And so we received the 2 really clear signal to enter to downward position. And I think that all must be all right, but in that moment The price motion begin to little bit jumping and jumping not our side, so but I think that all must be right. Look at that, look at the Williams indicator, that poor line are just glowing so and a little bit disturbing, but I think that all must be alright. So oh my gosh, on my bank account $578, it's really looking very good for me. So I'm very excited, and I wanna make the more for today's trading session, and we just moving on, guys. And so we enter with 3 deal, and we enter with 3 deal to down position. And let me explain all in detail. So if you watch to the MACD indicator, the indicator is showing us the intersection of 2 lines and are directed a little bit to down, inclining to downward zone. So that indicator showing us the histograms line to down zone 2, so it's really will be good signal. So if you watch to the Williams indicator, we can see that indicator just climbing to intersect 2 lines, the support resistance line, and are directed to downward position, but it's really little bit angle, really little bit. So like in the previous time, so we just must waiting for finish that deal. Okay, on my bank account $700, guys. It really was not good, but we catch the 2 deal, so we're just moving on. I'm entered to audience regular pair, and so it's really good because the first we watch to the MACD indicator, that indicator really showing us intersection of 2 lines, and that 2 lines are directed to upper position. The trading sessions really heavy for me. And so, but I glad cause I earn money, guys. Woo, $1,590 on my bank account. Just crazy. I'm entered to downward position, catchy of currency pair, and so let me explain everything in detail. And so MACD indicator showing the really intersection of 2 lines and are directed to down position, and candles line to down zone. It's really good for us, but in the Williams indicator showing us really 2 good signal to enter to down position, and that indicator showing the intersection of 2 lines up in the resistance and are directed to down position, and it was the second signal to enter to downward trend. So, and as you can see, we really right intensify the trend direction, so it's really good. We're just waiting for our profit, and I wanna my money. So no increasing, I don't like it. So yeah, take it easy, go. We get the first profit, $1,500 on my bank account, and so the second profit, and on my bank account $3,000. Guys, it's, I don't know how it's called, I don't know. And so we make 3 deals, and and we just waiting for it. So we live in that currency pair, the catchy fan, and that moment I'm entered to upper position, and the previous time I'm entered to down position, and right now entered to upper position. So it's really very simple, guys. You must be managed situation, you must be managed the graphics, you must be managed the price motion, the risk management, the time management, and money management. And so it's really looking very good. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. So oh my gosh, not only not the reversal, guys. No. I don't like it. So just waiting for it. No, please, no, please. Five, four, three. I think that all must be all right, guys. Woo! 5, 5,000 on my bank account, guys. It's really amazing. I can increase my deposit from $150 to 5,400, guys. It's really crazy. Guys, in the conclusion, I wanna told you that today was a really great trading session. Two indicators worked really amazing together, and I think that trading strategy really working like brilliantly. So I increased my deposit from $150 to $5,400. I don't know, I spent really less than 10 minutes of my free time. I know that you want the same. Subscribe to my Telegram channel right now and write to me privately, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade every day and where we show the great results. See you soon, and until the next time, hug you all until it crunches.